I did fix some issues when you use a Theta Z1 or another 360 camera. Okay, and my workflow. Okay, and my first step I use is normally, okay, and I bring back the highlights. Okay, little bit, and the shadows, I push the shadows, and okay, the white is okay, and texture a little bit, and vibrance a little bit, and if you want a blue sky on HSL, you can bring the blues. Okay, but it's a luminous. Luminous put down a little bit, and a saturation, you push the blues, more blue. Okay, and the green if you want the green too, and you can, okay, saturate the green too, and the green, and I put a little bit. Oh yes. Okay, and the chromatic aberration to remove these colors. Chromatic aberration, it is some lines, and you click remove chromatic aberration, and go to menu, and I put 10, around 10, you see in the picture when it's good or not. Okay, and I put a little bit right here, and yeah, it's okay. Now you're going to photo edit, and like Theta, if you have installed the Ricoh Theta teacher, okay, and it show right here, around here, because it's an external editor. Okay, because when I click here and edit on Theta, they're going to send a copy of my Lightroom edit with these options here, the TIFF and sRGB, 8 bits, 240 resolution. Click edit, they open on Ricoh Theta teacher, and take a little bit and prepare the file. And right now they show up. There's a Ricoh Theta teacher, you can see right here. Okay, 0. Okay, and now you can see they merged the image, is beautiful, but the issue is because I have used a long stick, okay, like to fake a drone or review or something, and so sometimes they give you these horrendous level, okay, and you need like because there's a need correction is automatic, and I don't know what happened, the data they mess it, and you click menu, and you need to find the values here. Okay, you need to find the values to correct it. Sometimes I can't correct mine, okay, but I have, because it takes sometimes, I know the values I have right here, but if you don't know, if you need put some time, okay, and I know this works fine at 3.4 degree on pitch, and the row they works fine at 6.88. okay, yeah, I have something good. Okay, and it's it on the Ricoh Theta Z, and click OK. Now they give me the panorama. Okay, this is the panorama, and I can go into the folder, or I'm going to the folder where they save my, yeah, it's right here. And then open Adobe Photoshop, and you're going to fix the nadir, okay? Remove this guy here. To remove this guy, we're going to 3D spherical panorama, new panorama from select the layer. They give you the 3D view of the panorama. You can see right here is not high resolution, but you can see like it's so high, and it is good and it is bad at the same time, because they give me this in shoe, but I can fake a drone aerial view. You can see the shadow here of the sticker, okay? And to remove this guy is easy, because if my camera is higher, like the bottom, the ground is smaller, and I can fix more easy. I'm going to lasso tool here, and I design something around, okay, and going here, edit, fill, and content aware, select here, and color adaptation, and click OK, and they work to you. And okay, yeah, it's not bad. You can fix with stamp, clone stamp, something, and like I'm going to heli brush here, and I put more big, and I can remove this. Let's see, it's not perfect because my line is not straight. Oh yeah. And now we have the panorama, the fake aerial view, okay? It's a beautiful Florida, Miami, okay? Yeah, it was not bad, okay? And then now you're going to 3D, spherical panorama, and export panorama, and select where you want on your computer to save this file. And I put right here 36 and over 5, okay? Save, and it's it, okay?